Are you looking for a bow rider that's just big enough to hold all your friends and family, but also have a head? This is the Sea Ray 23 SPX. It has a huge amount of seating in the cockpit area. It has two swiveling captain's chairs on both the port and the starboard. I love this feature because when you are at the dock or when you are at anchor, you can swivel these chairs around and all of your friends and family can be facing each other like you're in a living room at home. One of my favorite features about this boat is the electronic shift. Super easy, immediate response when you're trying to maneuver in tight spaces, but you also have active trim. It's going to automatically change the engine trim level to get you the most performance and efficiency. You also have the Simrad 9-inch NSX. This is a great unit. It is super user-friendly, easy to use, offers auto routing as well. You also have a Fusion stereo system. It's super clear and crisp, awesome for those days out on the water. Moving up to the bow, you have full leg length loungers up front. You also have speakers, and you have the full comfort package, which offers you padding all the way up to the gunnel. On your port side, you have a compartment that can either be used as a porta potty or some dry storage. Moving aft on the boat, you have this big sun pad in the back portion of the boat. This opens up and it leaves you with a massive storage compartment. Really good for lines, fenders, all of your covers, water toys. It also acts as the dedicated storage compartment for any of the tables throughout the boat as well. This Sea Ray 23 SPX is equipped with a Mercury 200. It is quick and it is nimble. Underneath all of this bench seating is dedicated storage compartments. They are all self-draining, so it's nice that you can get on the boat, throw ice in it, and when it melts, it goes right overboard. Lastly, the sports water tower with the bimini. Not only do you get shade, but you also get the ability to tow behind the boat at a higher point, helping with any wakeboarding or water skiing. Thank you for going through the 23 SPX with me today, and I look forward to helping you in any way I can. Please call MarineMax of Westbrook with any questions.